Proportionality theorems. Triangle proportionality theorem states that if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, intersects the other two sides, then it divides the two sides proportionally. That being said, if we have point A and C and B, and then we have this line, D and E, then these two lines are parallel, and it means that this side and this side is proportional to this segment. So if AC is parallel to DE, then BD compared to AD will equal BE over CE. Therefore, we can also say that the inverse is true. We can say that if BD over AD is not equal to BE over CE, then AC is not parallel to DE. The converse of the triangle proportionality theorem states that if a line divides two sides of a triangle proportionally, then it is parallel to the third side. Therefore, if we have ABC and this line DE divides the two sides proportionally, then this side and this side are parallel. So if AD over DB equals CE over EB, then AC is parallel to DE. Also, the contrapositive is true. So if AC is not parallel to DE, then AD over DB is not equal to CE over EB. Let's solve these problems. So we're looking at if this line and this line are parallel to each other, then we should be able to say that 8 over 20, right here, 8 over 20, equals 18 over x. And we're going to cross multiply. Now, what that means is we multiply 8 times x, 8x, equals 18 times 20, 360. Divide both sides by 8. X will be equal to 45. Pause the video and do the second one. Now, let's solve it. So we're looking at the proportion of these two and the proportion of these two to determine, is this parallel to this? So we set up our proportion, 24 over 46, these two numbers, equals 32 over 60. And we cross multiply. If they're equal, then we're going to be able to say, yes, they're parallel. If they're not equal, then we say that they're not parallel. So when we cross multiply, we have 24 times 60. That's going to give us 1,440. Then 46 by 32, that gives us 1,472. That information tells us that AC is not parallel to DE because 24 over 46 does not equal 32 over 60.